is being monetized and making money on Facebook or on any platform is quite different. These are two entities. Yes, you might be monetized. You get a monetization set up. You know that I'm now eligible for monetization. Then there's making money on that platform like Facebook. So these are two things, and most of people are not keen on this. Most people, they always do everything. You find someone is like, I'll do everything to make sure that I get a setup on monetization. But they forget doing everything to have a setup is a step for monetization and for cashing out. So whatever we do when we are stepping up to get monetized matters a lot for our monetization on a monthly basis, as in getting money. So there is a step of being monetized that you're eligible to earn. Then there is another step of making money monthly or daily. These two things are quite different. There are some individuals, the moment they get the setup, they feel they are done. They're like, oh, excited. But at the end of the month, they start asking, but I didn't receive money. No, baby girl, dear baby boy, this is not how it is done. These are two different games. The moment you get monetized, you need to see really, how do I get money monthly? You guys, it can scratch your head because social media now, Facebook has billions of people on it. And remember, what you're doing is what I'm doing. And don't forget, they are giving, your earning score is according to some 4 factors. I remember I told you about those factors. The factors of originality, the factor of reach, the factor of audience, and the factor of engagement. Those are 4. So now, the moment you start, you know that this is my monetization I've set up, you are supposed to focus and make sure that every month you're earning at least $100. For beginners, $100. The moment you start earning $100, the rest is history. You start planning yourself. People are earning millions out of Facebook. People are withdrawing. Their source of income is on Facebook alone. But how do they do it? Let me give you a pro tip of what I did, or a trick of what I did. When I first got my monetization, there is nothing beautiful like you that night you can dance, you can be happy. But the reality hits when you now start checking your dashboard. So this is what I did. After 2 days, I saw the amount of money that was coming out of photos. Videos don't have money. If the video is there, by the highest was 0.003, because it was even less than 1,000. It was even less than 500 views. That was a plus for me, because remember, they are paying on originality. How original is your how original is the video, how many people have engaged it, the reach, and which people are watching your video, the audience. So I decided to get, as I said, okay, I just need $100 from my Facebook this month. I got $100. I divided it by 30 days. When I divided it by 30 days, the amount of money that came, I said, what? How will I get this amount of money when I'm seeing the poster giving me 0.01, 0.05, 0. This? I said, no problem. And this is a tip, I want you to get it. So I got that money per day. I went to my dashboard. I pulled out the dashboard. I saw, okay, photos are giving me, by the photos give me a lot more earnings than videos, because videos tend to delay. People in our niche, you scratch your head, but you put anything that is funny to see it moving. But even if it moves, it might not be having money earnings. Yeah, because most of them are not original. So when I pulled my dashboard, I saw photos are giving money. Okay, videos are giving money, but which photo is giving? Up to now, I'm still learning, because I'm saying, why did this photo get 0.05 and the other photo got 0.01 in the first 3 hours? So what I did, I pulled out my dashboard, as I said. I started studying it. I looked at it. I said, okay, in a day, if I'm supposed to give $20 in a day, so I go there, $20. I said, how many photos do I need? How many reels? How many text? How many? Then I said, I need 10 photos. I'm giving examples now. I want you to learn that strategy. Then I put them down. Then, now I started the job. This is how easily. However, you can post, you can say, I need 5 photos, I need 5 videos, I need 5 text, I need 5 views, I need 5 reads. You put them there that day. Meta fails to monetize any of those ones. At the end of the day, you find you have high reach without. So every day you study, but at least you have a strategy. I know, oh, so if I've posted 5, at least I'll not fail to get that money. Now, the second pro tip. It might not give you that money, or it might give you excess, but that's how you need to do it. Then the second thing, I decided if I'm to put videos, I have to put them more than 3 minutes. Do you know, I feel much excited when I go, by the way, I go and rewatch my videos. Me, I do it because I want to see where it gone wrong. If I was a person watching, how would I feel? There's a video I was making and I said, this Dubai is a capital city. I'm saying, wow, that is so funny. So when you watch your videos, you learn mistakes. How do I say Dubai is so funny? If someone is listening to me, it will be, if I don't recollect it, either in comment section or somewhere, because I can't delete it, of course. If I don't correct it, it means someone will think what I'm doing will not trust me. Because if I can say that Dubai is the capital city of UAE, so I had to go to comment section and write. So when I'm watching these videos, I'm like, she did well here. And you see your videos are, like this video now is already long, but I'm going to stop it at 8 minutes. If you see your video with different multiple adverts, that is money for that video. However, keeping a person to watch up to that extent is not easy. So you sit down and see, what can I do? So I'm concluding telling you guys, making money is a different game and being monetized is a different game. If you're laying strategies, less strategies to the extent that the foundation of being monetized, getting that set up, should favor you in money, even in paying, in cashing out. Because there are some of us who decide to say, I'll do anything to make sure I get set up. But then after setup, that anything doesn't help you to earn money. Like if you're posting posts which are not original, if you're posting people's, so you find they are giving you peanuts and you're scratching your head. So guys, let's catch up in another episode. This one is too long.